Assalamu alaikum. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way. Don't you want to see that your Salah is not only a movement of tongue and body, but also a spiritual, emotional, and an intellectual experience, a journey of faith, an offering of love. Every ayah and dhikr comes out from your heart. Every dua is full of conviction. Whispers don't get a chance because you understand what you recite, and the Quran penetrates your heart. Salah, which was the coolness of eyes for the Prophet ﷺ, has some effect in our lives too, and as a result we get peace in our life, and most importantly our akhirah is improved. Using 7 commonly recited surahs and adhkar of salah like adhan, ruku', sujood, at-tahiyyat and so on, we learn 200 plus words that occur 40,000 times in the Quran. That is 50% of Quranic words. And more surprising is that if you start the Quran after this course with Surah Al-Baqarah, you will know 66% of the words, not just 50%. Why? Because Surah Al-Baqarah is extremely easy. And you will learn Arabic the most effective way through most commonly repeated words and sentences in Salah, and that's the natural way. Imagine you were deaf and now you can hear 66% of the words. Imagine you are blind and you can see 66% of the objects around you. Isn't that amazing? You will also know a simple yet powerful formula to interact with the Quran. Learn Arabic grammar through a powerful interactive TPI system, and you learn it as if you're talking. For example, huwa hum, anta ana, antum nahnu, and with simple spoken Arabic sessions immediately after every grammar session. Like man anta, ana Muslim, man antum, nahnu Muslimun. You will learn 200 plus dialogues in all. The grammar will be easy and interesting. You will see its application immediately. The course is so easy that every one of you can learn this course and even teach it to others. In brief, understand daily Salah, learn 50% of Quranic words, learn basic grammar and 200 spoken Arabic sentences and success habits and the way to interact with the Quran and many more things. All of it in just 20 hours for the first time in 4 cities of UK, from June 29 to July 5 in London, from July 6 to 12 in Walsall, July 13th to 19th in Oldham, and July 20 to 26 in Glasgow. To register, visit the link there. Hope to see you in the course. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.